about the environment with fresh air and there have a diversity of flora and fauna in it. Nature is also the most beautiful of gift of God's creation that was upon us.
But now it is difficult for people nowadays to preserve the nature actually, and they do not know how to appreciate the natural gift to mankind. As we can see, the activity of illegal logging that is increasingly widespread and the environmental pollution that happens. Plus more with the clearing of forests for an urban and industrial.
So, DM, we choose this topic because we want to show to other people that the uniqueness and the benefit of appreciating and enjoy the nature. By enjoying the nature, we can reduce our stress and calm our mind. In University Utara Malaysia and the only university in the Green Forest in Malaysia have a lot of nature.
We also can't describe how much the beautiful place in this university because it is too much, such as the hidden lake, the three sibling tree, mixed dipterocarps forest, schema bamboo forest, Guthrie Lake, ostrich farm, Puncak Vista, and other more. So we will show to you the best beautiful place that we choose in this university to complete this task.
By this topic also, we want to raise the public awareness of the environmental value. So, hope you can enjoy and get the message forward.
A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, one eternity later.
I think Puncak Vista is really interesting place to do hiking because my friend had told me that last time.
I agree with you, Mimi. In my opinion, Puncak Vista is a very fascinating place that full with beautiful scenery.
Beautiful scenery? Wow, so great. But do you know any information about Puncak Vista?
Of course, no, because I like that place very much. Do you want me to tell to you?
Yes, I really appreciate if you tell me more about that place.
Alright, Mimi.
The next day later, 20 minutes later.
Now, Naziha, can you tell me the information about the Puncak Vista before we go there?
Yes, definitely, Mimi. For your information, Puncak Vista is one of the several places that have beautiful scenery and nature in UUM. Puncak Vista is a place that serves a beautiful panorama when climbing to the peak.
Oh yes, I agree with you. Because I had to go to other places such Hidden Lake, Pokok Tiga Beradik, and also Sandabi Lake. But my friends told me that the Puncak Vista is a very interesting place, especially to see the scenery and also the beautiful sunset.
Yes, definitely. Puncak Vista has a height of 90 meters from the sea level, and you have to climb the stairs which amount around 164 steps.
Wow, it sounds great. But what we can do at there?
You can see the beautiful scenery and see many buildings around UUM, such as you can see Dewan Muazzam Shah or Dimas, and many other places. And the most important thing, this place really calm, which if you have any problem, it can help you to reduce it.
But is there any challenger when we go upstairs?
Don't worry, Mimi, cause we only have the challenger with the mosquito, cause it is their place, and the only who is really dominate that place is only the monkey. But you no need to worry because the monkey will not make any shouting with you.
Alright, Naziha. So many information you have told to me. So why not we go tomorrow? I want to feel it with my own experience to go there.
Alright, Mimi. See you tomorrow.
The next day.
There are too many mosquitoes here.
So tired, you know.
Yeah.
OMG.
Let us fly, to the golden sky. It's the paradise of smile where the sun always shine. La da di da di da di da. Boom 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 boom. I want you in my room.
Wow, it's a really great place. From this top, I can see many buildings. Naziha, look there. Is it the Lake of Time Derby? Yes, Mimi. Is it beautiful, right? Yes. Why not we take a selfie for our memory?
Alright, let's go. So Susanna, what do you think about this Puncak Vista?
Okay, for me, Puncak Vista is a very beautiful places that you can go in this UUM.
Do you often come here?
Yes, I always come here because I like to hike with my friends.
So as a conclusion, what you can conclude about this place and what can you tell to other visitors to come to this place?
Okay, for me, I very recommended these places because Puncak Vista have very beautiful scene and you can have also great experience in hiking.
Alright, thank you Susanna.
Okay.
Of course no, because I like this.
I think Puncak Vista is really interesting place to do hiking because my friend had told me that last time.
I agree with you, Mimi. In my opinion, Puncak Vista is a very fascinating place that full with beautiful scenery.
Beautiful scenery? Wow, so great. But do you know any information about Puncak Vista?
Ay, Prema. Ano to, Prema?
What is nature? Nature is about the environment with fresh air and there have a diversity of flora and fauna.
Kejap, Mimi. Ni nampak kat depan mana boleh.
Okay.
Bengong.